Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're checking out a compact yet powerful Bluetooth speaker, the Sanag M15 speaker, as you can see here. Now this is designed for on-the-go music lovers, offering deep bass, solid durability, and all-day battery life in a lightweight, portable design. So whether you're heading to the gym, the beach, or just chilling at home, this IPX4 waterproof speaker promises high quality sound no matter where you are. So guys, let's start by unboxing it, test out the sound, and see if this budget-friendly speaker is really worth it. Let's start with what's inside the box. Inside the box, you'll get the Sanag M15 speaker, a USB-C charging cable, and a user manual. The design is compact but sturdy, with a sleek matte finish that feels premium. The buttons on the top are well placed for easy control, and overall, it's lightweight enough to toss into a backpack and take anywhere. Now let's talk sound quality, because that's the most important part. The Sanag M15 is packed with 10-watt dual speakers and a subwoofer for enhanced bass. It features 45mm rectangle acoustic bass enhancement, which means richer lows and clearer highs than most speakers in this size range. And also price range, actually. The 3D sounds mode adds depth to your music, making it feel bigger than it actually is. And look at those lovely lights that are back there as well as you're using it. Isn't that cool? So you have different light modes depending on your music. You've got the cable there, USB-C charging there, and you've got different modes. We'll start with music. I listen to hip-hop, EDM, and acoustic tracks, and the bass response is surprisingly good. It's not going to match a high-end party speaker, but for a size and price, the Sanag M15 delivers a solid, punchy sound. And if you listen to podcasts, audiobooks, vocals come through very good. It also has a radio built into it too, which is a nice touch. I haven't actually had a speaker with a radio before, and the sound does go quite loud as well. So not only does it support Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable low latency connection, but also has an FM radio, as I just said. You don't have to have your phone with you. You can actually take this out, put the music on, be dancing on the beach without a phone. And yes, guys, it even has built-in hands-free calling. So you can take calls on your speaker without being on your phone, which is pretty cool, isn't it? Talk about battery life. The Sanag M15 packs a 1200 milliamp battery, giving you around 10 hours of use in a single charge. Real-world playback time is a moderate volume, about 5 to 6 hours, which is plenty for a day out. It charges via USB-C, and a full charge takes around 1.5 to 2 hours. Plus, with 80 hours of standby time, you won't have to charge it every day. And if you're wondering, guys, yes, it's IPX4 waterproof, which means it can handle sweat, splashes, and light rain. Perfect for outdoor use, gym sessions, or relaxing by the pool. And guys, because it's not too heavy as well, you can see I've been holding it there in my hand. It's really good. You can also put it like on your belt if you want to walk around, or the back of your backpack, for example. Is the Sanag M15 worth it? If you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly speaker that delivers solid sound, strong bass, and great battery life, this is a fantastic option. At this price, guys, you're getting more value than expected. And also, if you want to win some prizes, we're giving away $4,000 worth of prizes. So enter below. We're giving away speakers, earbuds, all kinds of stuff. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification button to be stayed aware of any future reviews coming up. But guys, hope you enjoyed the Sanag M15 speaker. Catch you later.